What year is this?
2010.
Got a pair of big ass turbos on there.
They're 80s, bullseyes.
How big's the engine?
427 LSX.
And what's your best GT so far?
780.
780? What kind of mile an hour?
177.
Damn.
We got 5 more pounds of boost to go. So we got room to go.
Yes.
If you have to.
That's awesome. You guys dyno this on the engine dyno or chassis dyno?
Engine dyno, 26 pounds of boost, 2,075 horse.
2,075?
And the chassis, I believe we're around 15, 16. We had 1,400 to the wheels.
Damn.
So
that'll work.
She's good to go.
What kind of tires you running?
The Mickey Thompson Pros.
On a radial?
315.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really impressive.
Yeah.
What class you running this year?
Super Street.
Sweet.
Power, small block power adder.
What do you think it's going to take to win that class?
Don't know yet. Hopefully 780.
Gotta see who shows up, right?
That's right.
Are you hoping to average 7s?
Yeah. Yeah, should be able to.
That'd be badass.
We still got AC, so we'll stay cool.
Perfect. That's awesome. Who built the engine?
Steve Morse.
Oh, it's a Steve Morse car.
Muskegon.
Did it right.
Oh, yeah, this is my second one he's built for me.
Really?
Yeah. So.
That looks really good.
He's a man.
Well, cool. We'll have fun this week.
Yeah, hey,
we'll
thanks.
see you on the road.
Yep.
Push out.
That's a sealant that we put in it in Milan, from Martin.
Yeah.
To get it down the path. It worked, and then we knocked out the head.
Shit.
He went down, and the pump cut in and out at the top of the track, so we knocked out.
Ooh.
Cylinders.
Yeah. Is that lane?
What's that? Yeah,
Went
lane.
lane.
Yep. Yep. So, yeah, a lot of people see that. That's
It's a nice big mess.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh shit.
We think this happened when we were testing Friday before drag week, and we just caught it because we had a lot of overheating problems. And yesterday we just couldn't take it no more and found the big old crack. So thanks to Steve Morris and his crew, they came from Muskegon with a new head, and Dylan helped us put it on, and Alex. So we're good to go now.
Awesome. Lanes are closing in 5 minutes. Hasn't made it past yet.